Health Report is brought to you by...
It's summertime again and the heat is on. Therefore, there are some things that persons must do in order to safeguard themselves. That is protect yourselves from the sun so you won't become dehydrated. Dehydration happens when your body loses or uses more fluids than it takes in. When it happens, your body isn't able to do all the things it's supposed to do. President of the Nurses Association of Jamaica, Carmen Johnson, says dehydration can lead to muscle spasm, muscular aches, headaches, and blurred vision.
What we encourage persons to do at this time is to consume a lot of water. You need at least 6 to 8 glasses per day normally. And so in a period that is intensely hot, you need to have at least 10 glasses or more per day. And so what we would suggest to our populace is to put away some of the sugary drink, the sweetened drink, and have more water to hydrate themselves.
Although vitamin D, which you get from the sun, is good for your body, too much can be bad. So persons are advised to protect themselves when going out into the sun.
Sun protective lotion to ensure that they are protected. Do not stay in the sun for a very long time. If you have to work on the outside, we encourage you to wear a hat. That will help to provide some covering over your forehead that will seek to protect and shield your face, and to wear clothing. Because the more you expose your bodies, the more you expose it to the natural radiation that exists, and so you run the risk of skin conditions.
The heat can also be dangerous in younger children and older people, especially those going through premenopause or menopause.
Because they tend to have their hot flushes, and so they sweat even a lot more. And especially those who are above 60s, they tend to get dehydrated more. And those who are on medication also, especially antihypertensive medication that causes them to pass urine very often, they need to increase the amount of fluid that they drink to ensure that they remain hydrated.
And remember to stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health.
Health Report is brought to you by...